Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a little girl who loved to ride her horse, Comet, in the meadow. Every day after school, she would run to the stable, give Comet some sugar cubes, and then they would go riding. They would gallop over hills and through streams, and sometimes they would even jump over little fences. The girl and the horse were the best of friends. One day, the little girl was playing by the river that flowed through the meadow. She skipped stones across the surface and watched them disappear into the water. Then she had an idea. She turned to Comet and said, "I wonder if you could swim." So she led Comet down to the river bank and helped him drink from the shallow water. He dipped his nose in the air and swished the water around with his tongue. Then the little girl had another idea. She wanted to see if Comet could retrieve something from the river. So she took off her shoe and tossed it into the water. It floated downstream a little ways and then stopped under a bush. Then the little girl said to Comet, "Go get my shoe, boy." She pointed to where her shoe had landed. But when Comet went to get it, he started to panic. The water was too deep for him, and he couldn't touch the bottom. He tried to get to the shoe, but all he did was make the water cloudy with his splashing. The poor horse just stood there, scared and wet. The little girl was worried about Comet. She didn't want him to be scared, so she walked into the river and waded out to where the shoe was floating. She put her arm through the strap and pulled it to shore. Then she patted Comet's neck and said, "It's okay, boy, it's okay." She led him back up the bank and gave him some sugar cubes. She didn't want him to be afraid of the river. From that day on, whenever the little girl and her horse would play by the river, Comet would stay close to the bank. He never went into the water again. One summer day, the little girl was playing by the river. A large group of children had come to the meadow to have a picnic. The little girl waved to her friends as they passed by. Then she turned to go home, but she was too late. All of the children had gone, and now the field was empty. The little girl sighed and started to walk toward home. She came across the river and saw that it had overflowed its banks. The water was high and strong, and she couldn't cross. The little girl looked around to see if anyone else was coming. When she was sure she was alone, she took off her shoes and socks and tied her shoes together with their laces. She made a loop and put it around her waist. Then she walked into the water. The current was strong, but the little girl kept walking. She waded deeper and deeper until the water reached her chest. She started to panic, but then she remembered what her father had told her. Whenever she was afraid, she should think of a calm and peaceful place. She closed her eyes and thought of her meadow. She imagined herself galloping through the tall grass on the back of her horse, Comet. She could feel the wind blowing through her hair and hear the birds singing in the trees. The little girl opened her eyes, and the panic was gone. She could do this, she thought. The little girl continued on until she reached the other side of the river. She slipped off her makeshift flotation device and started to wade back to the shallow water. As she walked, she noticed something in the distance. She squinted her eyes and realized it was her horse, Comet. He had come to rescue her. As the little girl walked toward her horse, he started to run. He ran as fast as he could, but the water was too high and too strong for him. He struggled to keep his head above the surface. Then the little girl reached out and grabbed his bridle. She swung herself onto his back and held on tight. "Come on, boy," she shouted over the noise of the water. "We have to get to higher ground." Comet took a deep breath and plunged forward. He kicked his legs hard against the water, and the little girl felt them propelling them forward like oars on a boat. He was swimming. They reached an island in the middle of the river and collapsed on the dry grass. The little girl stroked Comet's neck. "Good boy," she whispered. "You saved me." And they stayed on the island until the river receded and they could walk back to the meadow. From that day on, the little girl and her horse were known throughout the land for their bravery. People came from far and wide to hear their story, and the two friends were happy to share it, knowing that they had saved each other and that their friendship was stronger than ever before.